Hello my dear lovely children, how are you? I think all of you fine now. Good. All of you come from which standard? Third standard to fourth standard. So you are promoted from third to fourth standard now. So today I am going to teach social subject. Before that I explain which are the subjects you learn in 4th standard. The subjects are Kannada, Hindi, English, Maths and EVS. But in EVS the social and science are there. That means there is no separate book for social and science. In EVS book, the lessons are divided into science and social. Understood? So, today I explain the social lesson, traffic rules. What is the name of the lesson? Traffic rules. Before I start the lesson, I ask some questions for you. Understood? Dear children, nowadays there are so many accidents occur on road. Why? Any idea about this? Don't know? So I will explain. Especially in big cities, the accident is common because the people did not follow the rules of traffic. That's why the accidents are common. So the rules are for the safety of people. No? So we are all follow the rules and regulations. When we follow the rules, we become safe. When you go out into the street, in your vehicle or in your feet, look out for each traffic sign to keep safe, secure and fine. To cross the road where you go walking, you use the black and white zebra crossing. Understood? Where you walking, we walk on black and white line is there on side of the road. That is called zebra crossing. Understood? And also we follow the signals, traffic signals. There is a color red. In circle, every big circle, there is a traffic signals. There are 3 lights are arranged. The color red, stop at once. Don't go ahead. Yellow, to ready to start when it is done. The green, it means now you go. So we obey the rules and reach home safety. You are very precious now. I explain which are the important traffic signals followed by the people. First, you obey the speed limit. Okay. Use the proper left and right turn indicators. Keep left while driving and walking. Don't drink and drive. Avoid the phone calls while driving. Use the headlights during the night. Try to good route during bad weather. Wear helmet while riding two-wheelers. Understood? These are the very important traffic rules. So in this lesson, there is a conversation between teacher and student. All of you open the page number 128. Here, the student's name is Savita, Fatima, Neeraj, Mary and other, and their teacher. They are standing on the footpath of the city road. A traffic police is controlling the movement of vehicles. So the student asks the teacher, "Sir, who is standing in the middle of the road? Why he is standing there?" Who asked the question? The children asked the questions to teacher. The teacher told, "He is a traffic policeman." Who is that person? He is a traffic policeman. It is the place where four roads meet. That is circle. Why did he stand center of the circle? To control the movements of people and vehicles is his duty. Who said this? The teacher said to the children. At the same time, another traffic policeman came near them. Teacher introduced himself. "So many vehicles are moving. How shall we cross the road?" "We should cross the road at zebra crossing." Next, another student asked the question, "Sir, what is the meaning of zebra crossing? Where is it?" Children, see there. Children, see there. There are white stripes in the middle of the road. It looks like stripes on a zebra. So it is called zebra crossing. The pedestrians, that means people who walk on foot, should cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Next, the another student asked, "Sir, red light is on there. All the vehicles are halt. Why?" The teacher told, "That is the signal light. Generally, we find it circle where roads meet. There are red, green and yellow lights in the signal light. Why? These lights give a specific instruction to the movements of vehicles. The red light indicates stop. Yellow light indicates get ready. And green light indicates move." So, in the main wheel, red light was on. The vehicle stopped moving on the road where the teacher and children had to cross the road. Next, the student asked, "Sir, red light is on. Vehicles are not moving. Shall we cross the road through a zebra crossing?" "No, stop." The teacher said, "Stop. We should not cross the road when the red light is on. When the red light is on, we are not cross the road. Another signal light is there for pedestrians to cross the road. Look there. The green light is on. Now we can cross the road on zebra crossing." They crossed the teachers and students crossed the road at zebra crossing. The traffic signals are there in circle to avoid the accidents between the vehicles and between the pedestrians for the safe movement of vehicles and people. The student asked the question to the teacher, "Why do we need signal lights?" Then the teacher told him, "Traffic lights are there in circle to avoid the accident between the vehicles or between the vehicles and pedestrians for safe movement for people, vehicles and people." Children felt happy knowing the traffic rules and went to the school. Understood? So in this lesson, the traffic The rules of traffic signals or rules explained in the form of conversation. The teachers and children's converse between the traffic rules. The student asks the question to the children. The teacher explains the traffic rules. Understood? I think all of you understand the lesson. So today I will stop the lesson. Next I will continue next class. So be safe. Stay home. Thank you. Bye.